Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we are going to start equation of line in different form. Equation of line in different form. The general form of first degree equation is in xy is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which always represent a straight line. This one is a straight line. It is in x and y variable a, where xy are axes and a, b, c are constant, belongs to real numbers. So a, b, c are constants, xy are variable, or here we take as axis, x-axis and y-axis it represents. Now equation 1. See this example, 3x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0 is an equation. Now ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a general equation of line. Ax here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a general equation. Now we are comparing these two. Comparing, we will get what? Coefficient of x is a. In our general equation, coefficient of x is a. Here coefficient of x is 3. So a equal to 3. Coefficient of y is b. Coefficient of y here is b. This also plus, so b equal to 5. Constant term c. Here constant term 6. So c equal to 6. A, B, C. Like that we have to compare and we have to write here a equal to 3, b equal to 5, c equal to 6. In second example, 5x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Now general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. General equation. Now comparing. Compare the coefficients. Coefficient of x a, coefficient of x is 5. So a equal to 5, b equal to negative number is there, minus 3, b equal to minus 3. With the sign we have to write. B, coefficient of y is minus 3. Coefficient of y is here b. So b equal to minus 3. C is a constant term, so it is 3. Okay, as it is 3. Now see another example. X plus y equal to 6. We know that ax plus by plus c equal to 0, general equation. Now again compare it. Here what we have? Coefficient of x as a. Here nothing is there. That means one time 1 is there. If a number is not written but x variable is there, axis is there, then we can take 1. 1 into x is x. That means here 1 is there. So a value is 1. B value is again 1 because no value is there. See, here we don't have a constant left side, we are having at a right side. So move this, okay, moving we will get this ax plus y equal to 6 is nothing but x plus y. Move this number to this side. When right side numbers comes to left side, the sign will be changed. So this will be minus 6 equal to 0. Now these two equations are the same. So a is a coefficient of x, nothing is there. That means we have to take 1. Here b again 1 time y means 1 is there. 1 into y, y. b into y, by. That's why 1 is there. So b is equals to again 1. C equal to minus 6. Okay. B and b by c constant. So one term with x, one term with another term is y, the third term is constant term. So like that we have to compare. First we have to write this equation in a standard form or general equation form. So this is nothing but this way. This is nothing but this. So we will compare and we get the coefficients of AB and constant value. Again one equation is there, y equal to 15x. Okay, y equal to 15x. Now see here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, general equation. Comparing it, we have to rewrite again. Here y equal to 15x, move this y to other side. So this will become 15x plus y, if goes to right side, so it is negative y. What you left here? 0. So it is in a equation form. Equation and equal to 0 also there. Now compare the coefficient. X is a coefficient. X is a coefficient of a, it is equal to 15. B is a coefficient of y. Now here it is minus 1. Okay, minus sign is there, that's why it is minus 1. C, no coefficient, no value is there. 0 after equal. If nothing is there means we have to take C as also 0. These are the values we will get for constant comparing with general equation. Okay. Now equation of line having slope m and passing through the origin 0, 0 is y equal to mx, where m belongs to real number. So this is your coordinate system, x, x dash, y, y dash. All these lines passes through origin. These are the lines. All these lines which passes through origin. Quadrant, maybe it passes through 1, 3, or it passes through 2, quadrant 2 to quadrant 4. Okay. Anyway, any line which passes through origin and whose slope is m is like this. Any line which is passes through origin whose slope is m is like this. So y equal to mx y equal to mx is a equation of line passing through origin. Suppose here we are writing example, take y equal to 5x. Which line passing through origin? If there, so see there constant c is not there. If c is there, we can't say the line passes through origin or not. Whenever c is not there, so this line only two terms are there, we can say that this line passes through origin. If you convert into that one, what you will get? X minus y equal to 0. General equation is what? Ax plus by equal to plus c equal to 0. This is a general equation of line. General equation of line. Okay. This is a general equation of line. In this one, this term is not there. Here, no c is there. Here we are not getting any c. So, a line which is in a present in this form, if we write y equal to mx form, this is called slope. So here y equal to 5x. Compare with this one on comparing. Okay. If you compare it, what you will get? Y equal coefficient of m is here m. So slope is what? 5. So like this we can find the slope. Just seeing that one. Take one more example. Find slope of line y equal to minus 3x. Now compare with this line y equal to mx. Slope is what? Slope equal to, comparing m equal to what? M equal to minus 3. Okay. Just seeing or writing the equation in this form. The coefficient of x is m. The coefficient of x here is minus 3. That's why there. Here the coefficient of that is 5. The slope is 5. Simply you can find the slope. These are the two examples. You can solve more many. Now third type of equation of of a line, equation of line having slope m and making an intercept C on y-axis is y equal to mx plus c. Any line which is in a form y equal to mx plus c is there. We have two important terms. Coefficient of x is m, so it is a slope, and this is a y-intercept. Y-intercept means this line cut at y-axis. So this is your y-axis where C is there. C is any point here. Suppose this is a line which passes through like this, or otherwise C is a point here, it passes through line. Anyway, but it cuts at a C. A line will cut the y-axis at a C. So it is called y-intercept. Intercept C is on y means y-intercept value is C. Y equal to mx plus c. C is a y-intercept, m is a slope. Example, take the example of this. Suppose a line is there, 2x plus y equal to 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So we have to write this equation in this form. What is there? Y equal to that part. Here we have to make y equal to this part means move this number to other side. So we will get y equal to, if he goes to other side, this will be negative. Positive will change to negative. This negative will change to positive. Now compare with this mx plus c. mx plus c. Now m is what? Minus 2. This is the value of m. This implies m equal to minus 2. That means slope of a line m equal to minus 2. C equal to constant, that is 5. So here y-intercept equal to C, that is 5. So these are the very simple one. Equation of line having slope m and y-intercept or intercept on C is on y-axis is this. So C is nothing but y-intercept. C value is 5, m value is minus 2. So take one more example. 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now again we have to make this equation in this form. How? Y equal to mx plus c form. We have to write the given equation in this form, then only we can get direct coefficient of x is m and constant term as c. So move this number. Again we can move this number to that side. 3y equal to, this goes to that side, minus 2x. And again this goes to that side, it becomes plus. So again what we need here? No coefficient. This is our general form. In terms of slope and y-intercept. Okay, slope and y-intercept. So again 3 is there. Here coefficient 1, here coefficient 3. So we have to divide it or move this number to other side. Multiplication of one side or left side goes when right side, so it will be in a denominator. We know that this is minus 2x plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, so this is nothing but minus 2 by 3. We can write separately x plus 6 by 3. Again we can simplify it, minus, I will write here, minus 2 by 3 x as it is. Here it's divided, you will get 2. Now see this is y equal to mx plus c form. Y equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So m is what? This is our m slope. This is our c y-intercept. Simply we can change this equation in this form and we can find slope and y-intercept. Okay. Now another equation of line. Equation of line having slope m and passing through point x1 y1. Okay, slope is m, passing through point x1 y1 is what? Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, where x1 y1 are point from which the line is passing, xy are again x-axis, m is a slope. So example, you will get questions like that. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line whose slope is minus 2 and passing through a point 2 comma 3. Okay, now you know that m is what? Solution. M is what? Slope. Okay, slope, that is minus 2. Point is given x1 comma y1. Our x1 comma y1 here 2 comma 3. That implies x equal to x1 equal to first point 2, first coordinate, and y1 equal to 3. Now we have to find the equation y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Y minus y1. Y1 is how much? 3. This is slope is how much? Minus 2. X minus x1. X1 is how much? 2. Now see, y minus 3 equal to minus 2x. Minus into minus, you have to multiply this. Why? Because bracket is there. In front of this bracket, you get this number. So it multiply with the both. Minus 2x minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now move this side. You will get a equation 2x plus y minus 3. Again move this number to this side. Minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus, both number are minus, add with negative sign, it's a minus 7. This is a equation whose slope is minus 2 and who this line passing through the point 2 and 3. Suppose we are guessing, suppose this is a x-axis and y-axis, coordinate axis. Now this is a line passing through this point 2 3. Somewhere else you have 2 3. Okay, this is 2, this is 3. So like this, or anyway this is passing through like that. Okay, this is a equation. Any of this, roughly we are taking here example to understand that any of this line, that is this, passing through this point, that is 2 3, and making slope as minus 2. Slope as minus 2 means somewhere else it goes like this. Minus 2 somewhere else you will get on this slope, this angle minus side you will get. Okay, this is the example for this line. We can get the general form of equation with this. This is very simple one, very easy. Now another form of equation of line. See here, equation of line passing through the 2 points. Now 2 points are given. What is the 2 points? It is in a form of x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. A line passing through these 2 points is what? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Once again read it. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is called a line passing through 2 points. Example we are taking anyway. This is your coordinate axis. Some point here, some point here, or anywhere. But take 2 points. Suppose this and this. This is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. Or line going like this. So this somewhere else you will get x1 y1, here x2 y2. Anyway, the line is passing through 2 points. So mark the 2 points. You will get this is a equation passing through 2. We are taking one example. Okay. Find equation of line passing through point 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 9. So this is our x1 y1, this is our x2 y2. What you have to do, you have to substitute in this one, y minus y1 whole divided this, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 bracket start, that means into x minus x1. Now substitute, y axis is there, x1 is y1 is what, 3, okay, and this line y2 is where, 9 minus 3, here 4 minus 2, x as it is, x minus 1 2, x1 is what, 2 minus 2, that is. Now compare this is nothing but this value, 9 minus 3 6, 4 minus 2 2, x minus 2 again it get cancelled, y minus 3 equal to 3 into x minus 2, y minus 3 equal to multiply this 3x and 3 2s are 6. If you simplify it, again move this number to that side, 3x minus y minus goes change into plus 1. These values are moving that side. Why? Because always x value should be in positive. So if it is positive means we have to move these two numbers to other side, x side. So it becomes negative, this will be positive, again this is on same side of x, so it is same. Now this is our equation, 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 is a equation passing through these 2 points. Okay, remember that. What is the difference? I think you understand this part. It is nothing but m. This is nothing but slope. In slope, what we have? Y minus y1 slope x minus x1. So 2 points are there. Our slope is not given, then we have to find the slope like this way. So y2 minus y1 slope is nothing but here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a formula to find slope when 2 points are given. Remember this part, m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Or we can write this, difference is always same. If you interchange the both numerator and denominator also, somewhere you will get this also, y1 minus y2 equal to divided by x1 minus x2. This is also slope. These and these values are same. If you interchange the first one, so you have to change the denominator also. 2 1 2 1 2, 2 minus 1 2 minus 1, like that you have to follow the rule. So you will get, this is nothing but slope. This is nothing but slope. Now equation of line having x-intercept as a. A is our x-intercept and y-intercept as b. Is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here it's easy that we know that this is x and y. It cuts like that. This value where the line cuts x-axis, if we get a here, b here. Okay, y-axis, the line cuts at y-axis at b, point b, and at a. So x-intercept is a. X-intercept is a, and here y-intercept is b. Okay, so the equation is like that. Example, find or write, we can write a equation whose x-intercept is 5, y-intercept is 3. Okay, 5 and 3. So a is what? A is 5, b is what? 3. Now simply you have to substitute here ax plus b, x by a plus b, y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 is a intercepts form of equation. Intercepts, both intercepts are there. Or we can say x-intercept, y-intercept. So here just you have to substitute here 5 plus y by b is how much? 3. Okay, x by 5 plus y by 3 equal to 1. This is your answer. But you can simplify it. You will get a general form of equation. So take LCM of this. 5 3s are 15. Cross multiply it. Okay, this way 3x plus is there, put plus 5y equal to 1. Now multiply again this. So this is nothing but 3x plus 5y equal to 15. This is a equation. Okay, or we can write this equation in this form also. 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. This is a general equation form whose intercepts are a and b, here 5 and 3. This is a equation who has intercept as 5 and 3. So this is also one equation of a line. This is called slope intercept form of equation. Slope intercept form of equation. Now very important lines. See here, equation of line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is this one. What is the difference? Ax plus by plus c as it is. Ax, by as it is. Only c in place of constant you will get a different constant. But all these values, coefficients are same and sign also same. So suppose this is our, see, this is a x-axis, y-axis. Our line, general line is this. Now parallel lines are any line which is parallel to this. Are all first two terms are same, the constant is different. Only k value is different. This will be negative, positive or any other number other than c. Then we can say the 2.2 lines are parallel. Equation of line perpendicular to this, again general equation is there. So what we have to change here, you have to make change that is coefficient of y change and put to coefficient of x, and coefficient of y, x will change and it is a change into y coefficient with a negative sign. If here positive is there, you have to make negative. If a negative is there, you have to make positive. And constant also. Constant will change, interchanging of the coefficient with sign also. If plus is there, minus we have to take. Minus is there, plus we have to take. Take two examples. Okay. Find equation. Find equation parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So we can write that any equation 2x plus 3y, but here k means we can take 5. K is any value. We are supposing here k as 5. Or we can write this, any equation minus 5 also. Why? Because here plus 6 is there. So any value you can take. It is a parallel. Each and every line is parallel if k is changed. K is either positive or negative. Same thing for second one. Second one perpendicular. If it is perpendicular, then means we have to change. Put the coefficient of x with y and coefficient of y with x with negative sign. Plus sign is there. So 2y plus or minus, again we are taking other number than this. So k will change. Next equation 3x minus 2y plus 9 is also there. These are the example, general example. If it is passes through on a different point, we will get exact value of k also. Just we are supposing k is any real number, just parallel line or not. Yes, this is a parallel, this is a parallel, this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular. So interchanging the values, you will get perpendicular line. If first two values are same, constant will change. It is a parallel line.